Sumit, can you able to hear me? Okay. Okay. So now I hope everyone have installed the environment Anaconda plus Jupyter notebook in your machine. So you are ready with the environment. Yeah. So now we are going to implement. Yeah. Give me a minute. Yeah. So please get into that environment. I'm going to give the code for you to execute to implement linear regression. Excuse me. Excuse me. Madam, this lab I'm going to take class is on recording. Will you please maintain silence? I don't mind. So if you're using Anaconda, I think all the packages are installed previously. If you're using Miniconda, you have to install the packages one by one. Okay. Those who are using Miniconda, please make note of it. You have to install few packages. The Panda. I will write the command and I will give it to you through the chat box. You can run the command in your system and then you can install those packages. Let me start with my Jupyter notebook for you. So to execute this particular code, to implement this linear regression and to visualize the plot, we have to install these packages. Make sure whether these packages are already available in your machine or not. Okay, so first you have to install pandas. So you have to give the code panda space install pandas. If you're using a Miniconda, if you're using Anaconda, you can directly search and install pandas package. So if you have the environment, no need to worry about that. You can directly go ahead. So then another one is Matplotlib. This is to visualize the data and visualize to draw the graph. Okay, matplot. And Conda install. Scikit-learn. If you're using with Miniconda, you have to open this PowerShell and you have to execute these three commands one by one. You have to install Pandas, you have to install Matplot, and you have to install Scikit-learn. Okay, so Pandas is used to deal with the data and to do plotting. Matplot is essential, and to do linear regression and machine learning algorithms, this SEI Kit-learn library is essential. So you have to install these packages. If these packages already in your machine, then no need to worry about that. You can directly get into the code. Okay, so here I am going to open a new notebook in order to execute the code. See here, initially I am simply copying this code to do import operation of all packages. Okay, so here are all the comment. If you want to know more information, you can get into this comment and you can read, understand. So writing code with comment is always advisable for a programmer. Okay. So this is the word import pandas as PD. PD is a variable which is used to represent pandas, and numpy is represented by np. Then we are using matplot. Okay, plt is matplot, and this is for linear regression, you know sklearn. So this is for machine learning, this is for 2D graphics, plotting the data. Dealing with array and linear algebra, we are having NumPy, and Pandas is used to handle with data. Yes, I hope everyone is following, right? Yes, are you following, students? Yes, tell me yes or no. Okay, installing. Good. Yeah, please install. Meanwhile, I am just importing the CSV file to our environment, because if we have CSV file, then only we can able to deal with the data and we can able to perform linear regression. So import the CSV file to our environment. We have a code. Okay. So for that, we have to execute these two lines of code. Okay. So df is nothing but a data file using Panda. pd.read CSV. Read CSV is the code to read the CSV file from your machine to the Python environment. You have to give a single quotation here, and here I have home prices, but in the environment I have to check what name I have for the data file. So you have to keep the data file in that particular environment. Okay, documents. users, I think inside users you will get, yeah, here I'm having that file ab.csv. I'm using ab.csv as the file name. So I'm giving ab.csv. So I advise you also please keep in that particular location where your notebook is saved. Then you can able to access easily. Think by this way you can able to visualize the data. Yeah. So see, whatever the data which we have entered in the CSV file is listed here. So we are seeing the data. So it is having this many entries, first attribute, second attribute, sorry, first tuple, second tuple, third tuple, likewise we are seeing. So two attributes are here. One attribute is area, another one attribute is price here. So price is a dependent variable, area is independent variable. I hope you know about that. Yes. Is there anyone who have completed up to this step, or any problem you're facing in installation or configuration? Yes, communicate with me, please. Tumin, have you completed the installation? Head, what is your status? Balkrishna, Rutvik, Harsh.
Installing last package, sir.
Okay, 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 okay. Yeah, proceed. And while it is installing, please make note the procedure which I am telling, or the please make sure that code listen to the class. Then only you can able to execute once your installation has been completed. So see, now we are getting the data, right? So after this data, once you got the data to the Python environment from a CSV file, you can able to perform your statistical operation or the machine learning stuff. You can add and you can use the model. Okay, so for that, what I'm going to do is I'm simply plotting this data for better data visualization. For that, I'm going to use few codes. See here, you have to be careful. This is nothing but matplot. Here, so matplotlib. Okay, I'm using matplotlib as an inline. So now I'm getting the scatter plot, right? So this is the scatter plot of area and price. You can able to see the data distribution here clearly, how the data x-axis is getting varied, how the y-axis is getting varied, how the data is plotted. Yes, can you able to see? Can you able to understand, or can you able to follow what I'm doing? Yes, students. Okay. So your doubt is on that, right? Why we are using inline? Actually, matplotlib inline. This is the word. See here in PPT itself. I mentioned used to insert the graph and plot in notebook. Okay. So in notebook itself, you can get that plot, and you can get the data visualization also. That's why we are using that inline. Okay, so that's why that is the reason we are using that inline. So using that inline, and also see, you can make the plot fancy also by this code, like plot.x label. You can change the x-axis value, you can change the y-axis value, and these kind of things you can able to insert, and you can make the code more fancy. See here. Yeah. You have to use the symbols carefully. No attribute X label. So Yeah, X label. Even I changed that. But still I'm getting something. I'll look into it. Just you go ahead with this plot. How many of you have done up to this? Installation has been done? Yes? How many of you are facing problem or any difficulties? Yes, Rudvik, Dhairya, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Installing completed.
Good, good, good. So, do you want this code? Okay, very good. Then, oh, Tumin have shared the code. Yes. Okay. Now, so this is the plot. I think many of you are getting. Few of you have executed. Now, what we need to do is just come to this PPT. Now, we are going to create linear regression model. Okay. In order to create linear regression model, what we are doing is, see here. So REG is the one variable or object for linear regression model, and linear model dot linear regression. We have to call this particular function. Okay, in order to uh, apply that. So I'm simply doing that. How to perform this particular linear regression model. So this is the important step which we are going to do on this. Okay, so here reg is the one which we're using. Here symbol should be proper, otherwise it will throw an error message to you. Yeah, now our linear regression model is executing. Now you can now all the things you have done. Okay, see, in order to do the prediction you need slope and coefficient value, right? Okay, that's what we have discussed in the last class. In order to complete the prediction you need two values, one is coefficient and another one is slope. Okay, so to get slope and coefficient, what you need to do is you have to use this reg object. Using that you can able to get that. See, reg dot coefficient. See, you have to use this reg object dot coefficient 135.78767123. This is the coefficient value. Okay, this is the coefficient value. Okay, by the otherwise, if you look into that mx plus c, in the sense c is 135.7876. You can say mx plus b also in some cases. If you look into the equation mx plus b, the b value is 135.7876. That is how it is working. Okay. So then what else you need to identify? Then you have to find intercept. Sorry, slope value is 135.76. Then you have to identify the intercept. So for that, reg dot intercept you have to type, then you have to get, yeah. See, now you are getting the value for intercept. Okay, so these two values are highly important for us: 135.78767123 and 438. See, 180.614.4383. By using these two values, you do our prediction, get into our problem, do your prediction and tell the value, how much it is for 33,000 square feet and how much it is for 5,000 square feet. Okay, you do that and tell the answer now. Okay, following? Any doubt? Are you following? Yes. Rudvik, Dhairya, Harsh, Komal, unmute yourself and answer me. Yes, answer me. Yes. Are you following or not? Riddhi, Rudvi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Yeah. So you have to find the value based on this slope and intercept. Based on this slope and intercept, you have to do the prediction and you have to find the value. This code also I am putting in the chat box for your better understanding. intercept and slope we are having. So based on the two, you can able to calculate, or if you facing any problem or if you're having any doubt, please ask with me. Check the chat box for the codes. If anyone have done with this, can able to share your screen with me, and you can show that to me. See, is this correct? This is for 5,000 square feet. For 30,000 square feet, this is the value. Yes. See, look into our problem. Forget the problem. See, look into our problem. What is our problem? We have to find, give these home prices, find out prices for the home. Those who area is 33,000 square feet and 5,000 square feet. Yes? Right or wrong? Are you following, students? Okay. Yes, Tumin, have you done? Can you able to share your screen and show it to everyone, to me?
Yes, sir. I'll present the screen now.
Yeah. I have to stop the screen, right?
Yes,
For
sir.
your presentation. Yeah, I will do. Yeah, please. Please share the screen.
I hope it is visible, sir.
I'm not getting. Others? Others are getting? Are you getting Tumin's screen? Others reply me.
No, sir.
Okay.
I'll try again.
No,
Yeah,
sir.
actually now we got, but gone again. You try it again. Now we are getting.
All
Yeah, yeah,
right.
yeah. Now we
Uh,
are getting. Now we are getting.
uh, so yes, this is it.
Mm.
And I'm reading the CSV file. We have the area, we have the price,
Okay.
and then I'm making the scatter plot and giving the labels. Also
Good.
mentioning
Good.
the unit in which it is, that is square feet, and that is dollars.
Good. Good.
While
Good.
doing it, I was following this video on YouTube. There's this guy who makes, videos about, how to do data science and stuff.
Okay.
So I'm a bit ahead of you with this on this.
Mm. Mm.
So yes, linear regression, and then making the model, and then giving it to LR, and then predicting it for 3,300 feet.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And
Okay.
then you have the intercept right here. Then there is this area.csv file which has the list of list of areas which I want to predict the price of.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So I'm giving that to the predict, and then you have the
Good.
answer here, and then I'm adding that to the data frame, calling it prices, and
Mm.
then I'm storing that in result.csv file, and then I'm making the scatter plot of that. We have the result.csv file over here, I guess. Okay,
Okay.
I didn't execute it yet, but yes, yes, sir, this is
Good.
most.
Good. 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 Yeah. Very good. Yes. I need this kind of. Yeah. Tumin, can you please share that notebook saved file?
Yes, sir. I happen to upload it on my GitHub, and I'll share the link right away, sir.
Yes. Yes. Good.
Yes, I've put it in the chat box.
Yeah. 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 We see it. So others, if you want to get access from that, you can get. Yeah. Any others need to share your screen and need to show the thing to me? Please do. Yes. Anyone is ready to share your screen? Dhairya, what is your status? Rudvik, Hush, Heli. Okay, anyway, I will share the Google Classroom link for that. You have to upload the things once you have done. Okay, so to mean, once you have, if you have done that, you can download some bigger data set in the web and you can try with linear regression, with more entries and little bit complicated thing. Then you can get a more clear idea and you will get some more exposure. This is my address.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah, yeah, yes,
Definitely.
yes, yes, yes. Riddhi, Mayank, Balkrishna, what is your status? Convey to me. Yog, Yog, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, have you done?
No, sir. One though I am doing.
Good, good, good. Do. I hope others are also doing. If you face any difficulty, let me know. Once you have finished, you can share your screen and you can show that to everyone. Otherwise, you can have the notebook and you can directly upload it in Google Classroom. That I will share later, the link. Yes, Dhairya Trivedi.
Yes, sir.
Are you facing any difficulty? Clear, right?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay. Yes. Rudvi.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rudvik is clear, right? Are you doing right? Following.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
I'm doing.
okay.
No difficulty.
Okay. Rudvi Kumawat.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Are you facing any difficulties, madam? You fine, right?
No.
Okay.
Yes, I'm fine.
Okay. So you're working with laptop, right? So no problem, right? You know, Sonal, have you done?
No, sir.
Okay, doing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Riddhi, can you unmute yourself? Not getting anything from Riddhi. Riddhi is here. Riddhi, can you unmute yourself and talk? Path Kurani.
Yes, sir. No
Yeah.
doubt.
Okay. So complete it soon. Palak.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Doing good, right? Are you facing any difficulty?
No, sir.
Okay. So you're following. Nishant.
Yes, sir.
Nishant, you're following, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Mayank Singh.
Yes, sir. I'm currently doing, but my laptop got hanged, so I'll try to just reboot it.
Okay. Krunal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Krunal is fine, right? You're following right classes and laboratories.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Good, good, good. Komal,
Yes, sir.
are you facing any difficulty following classes and laboratory, right?
Yes, sir. All clear.
Okay, okay. Heli Paresh, sorry, Heli.
Yes,
Sorry,
sir.
yeah. Heli, are you, clear with this concepts and all? Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. Harsh,
Yes, sir.
Harsh, you are fine, right?
Yes, sir. I have completed.
Good, good, good. Can you able to share your screen?
Okay, sir. Just a minute.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Please. Okay. Good,
So,
good.
sir, I have plotted here,
Ah,
and
very good.
I have not made an array. Just I am directly entering error. Means the area here like 3000. So
Mm-hmm.
here it will come the answer.
Oh, you have done prediction directly.
Yes, sir.
Good, 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 good.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes. Or will be helpful. Please share your notebook through chat window.
Okay, sir.
Mm. Riddhi have communicated like doing, sir. Why you are not communicating? Only text communication. Let me take attendance. So TC1 class is there. Mm, T- Yeah, Archan Patadia, absent. Then Ayuj Balkrishna.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Dhairia.
Yes, sir, present.
Okay. Fenil. Fenil is not here. Harsh.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Kelly.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Het, right? Hetvi. Javin Kumar. Jinal. Karan. Komal.
Yes, sir. Present.
Okay.
Kumar.
Okay. Krunal. Lata.
Sir, Krunal, yes, sir.
Krunal present. Lata absent. Manaliben. Mansi. Mansi Kiada.
Yes, sir.
Good. Mayank.
Yes, sir, present.
Mayank present. Then Meet. Milan. Sonal.
Present, sir.
All present. Okay. Nesh. Nildeep. Nishan. Palak.
Present, sir.
Nishan.
Nishan present, sir. Yes, sir.
Palak present, sir.
Okay. Parth.
Yes, sir.
Parth present. Then Ridhiban. Riddhi present, right? Rudvik.
Sir, Rutvi present.
Okay. And Shashi Ranjan.
Sir, Rutik Makwana is present.
Yeah. I have given to you. Don't worry. Sheena. Sherin. Tumin. Present. Umesh.
Yes, sir.
Vikash.
Present, sir.
Okay. Vikash. Yash Kumar. Yash Kumar is there. Yog present, right?
Present, sir.
Keval Kumar. Okay, guys, those who are facing difficulties, clear the doubt in between, and those who have done, keep your notebook and you have to share the file in the Google Classroom, okay?